Today on the 101, we're going to try and answer a question we know that a lot of you have. How do I know how much my card is worth? Okay, I wish there was a really easy answer to that and one that was simple and definitive. And there sort of is, but I'm not sure how much you'll gain from it. The short answer is this: your card is worth exactly what someone is willing to pay. I know, that doesn't leave you with much, right? Making matters more complicated, a better answer might actually be your card is worth what someone is willing to pay now or what they're willing to pay in the future. All in all, those answers essentially are assumed values. Now, how do you get to what your card is worth right now? Again, the answer is the same, what someone's willing to pay, and perhaps the most used place, and the one that I use most often, is 130point.com. This site instantly searches the most recent sales on eBay. In addition, you can search by oldest and newest sales, or highest price, or most recent sale, or those auctions that are ending the soonest. So lots of ways for you to filter your information. Any search on 130point will bring up eBay sales that are the same or comparable to your card, and that's why they're often called comps. As we discussed in our grading episode, a graded card is generally worth more than a raw card. So if you're using 130point or any other amalgamating website, make sure you describe your card as accurately as possible, including the year, series, player name, plus any special denotations like parallel and the type or name of the parallel or insert, RPA, relic, and of course, if it's graded or not. In addition, you can also find a few apps and price guides online that are also a good starting point. Some of the auctions and grading companies will also publish what a particular card sold for with the details about that card. In cases where you have a 1 of 1 or a very low numbered card, you may have the opportunity to set the price yourself. But again, it's not really just going to be whatever you want it to be. You'll have to look for comparable cards and sales, even if they are not exactly the same as your card. All in all, the original answer remains the same. Your card is worth what someone is willing to pay for it. And until they do, it's technically a potential value. Once the money's in your account, then you have the true, realized value of the card. So, that's it for this 101. Now get out there and run some comps on your collection.